Hamlin, Glory Days Automotive Restoration. I've spent the past 2 days getting the 64 Chevy Impala mounted up on our roller hoop, and when I undo foot lock, takes a little bit of arm strength, but it's not bad. You can actually sit here and roll the car with one hand pretty easily. Dirty inside. I don't know what that was. This is a great little toy. It actually rolls very nice. It's smooth. Keep you on the outside. You make all your bracketry, the inside. Even here I welded a small bracket directly to the inner part of the frame rail of the hoop. Makes it great to be able to turn over this 1964 Chevrolet Impala body. And this way we can get around and we can work on the bottom side of the car and not have to kill ourselves. So this is a great investment for a restoration shop, but this is a very nice design for automotive rotisserie. The whole package only weighs something like 450 pounds, and it's in various pieces. The hoop itself is 55 pounds. The base is probably at 40, 45. So between each of the bases, the wheels, and there are 4 not sure what we'd call them, but we have 4 attachments for being able to raise the car up, and you can put, put wheels to make this thing mobile. So we can roll it out of the building, roll it into the paint booth, whatever you need to do. And it's actually, in order to raise the hoop off the ground, we take a small lifting device that mounts into here, and it just gives you a mounting point, a jacking point that sticks out, obviously with this down, and then you raise it up with a floor jack. It's very, very simple. So this is the new investment. If you're interested in something like this, they're a great little tool if you're going to end up doing any type of restoration, especially one where you have to do a lot of sheet metal work. And that definitely, this car definitely falls into that. This particular car, we are going to be replacing pretty much the entire floor pan from toe board back to this seam here, which goes underneath your rear seats. This will all get replaced. The inner rocker panels will get replaced completely, from the seam here to this seam here, which goes into your trunk. That sheet metal is actually in good condition. We are going to be replacing this body mount has been replaced. This one has not. So that will be replaced. And this whole section of the trunk fan is going to also have to be replaced. Even these lower inner rocker panels or lower rear inner quarter panel will have to be replaced. There are some areas that will end up having to do other sheet metal work too. The wheel well arches next to these frame rails will need some touching up. There's it's rusted out along the seam here, and same on the other side. The frame rail obviously is gone, but hence why when we get the floor pan, we're going to purchase a complete floor pan with all the necessary braces, and it makes sense just to get one that has rocker panels, inner rocker panels already mounted to it. And then we have to do a little bit of repair here on the firewall, and also here. From there, the doors are okay. We'll end up purchasing a new deck lid for this car. Quarter panels. We need both left and right quarter panels. Pop that off. Let me grab the camera and I'll show you some of this. As we walk around, this is really hard to see. I apologize for the lighting. This is the quarter panel, and somebody put it on. They did an alright job, I guess. I would do things differently. This isn't the type of work that I want to be known for. But the problem with their work is that when you go from the body contour of the door to the body contour of the quarter panel, it changes. It's completely different. Especially once you go and put body filler into it. You lose the shape of the car completely, and so your door and your quarter panel don't match. Hence, we are going to purchase a complete brand new left side quarter panel, put all new completes on both left and right side of the car. As you can see here, they've done sheet metal repair. On the floors, you can see daylight poking through. Let's scroll back here. Same thing. They'd cut out majority of the rust and then set the new sheet metal in, but what they ended up doing is there's probably about a 1-inch overlap, and then they just welded around the seam. And you can see that from the bottom side. So a lot of this current owner, the gentleman just purchased this car not too long ago, and he wants it all done right. So and here's the firewall. And you see the more holes. There you go. Well, this is our 1964 Chevrolet Impala. I think I'm going to call it Project SS. So this is Dave Hamlin, Glory Days Automotive Restoration. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.